southwestern Pittsylvania County, southeastern Henry County, until 7:30 p.m. At 6:37 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Draper or over Eden, moving southwest at 15 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Eden, Reedsville, Wentworth, Mayodan, Madison, Stoneville, and Mayfield. Prepare immediately for large hail and damaging winds. For your safety, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Stay away from windows. When it is safe to do so, please send your reports of hail of any size, as well as reports of any wind damage, including downed trees or large limbs, to the National Weather Service by calling toll-free at 1-866-215-4324. Reports and pictures can also be shared on the National Weather Service Blacksburg Facebook page and on Twitter. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 7:30 p.m. for the following counties: Rockingham, North Carolina, and the following counties in Virginia, Henry, and Pennsylvania.